Good morning. You are listening to UpReach, a morning devotional presented by the Church Street Church of Christ in Lewisburg, Tennessee, to encourage you as you face the opportunities and challenges of today. Let's begin this day together with some inspiring thoughts from God's holy word. The crooked places shall be made straight, and the rough places smooth. The glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. Isaiah chapter 40, verses 4 through 5. I don't know about you, but I hate road construction. Everywhere I go, it seems like there has been ongoing road construction for years. Everything is a mess, you can never plan your trips because of delays, and sometimes you get caught off guard when traffic signs are placed in unusual places and the natural flow of traffic takes you off the main road and onto bumpy surfaces. Recently, I read of a place where a sinkhole was discovered in the middle of a main road through a town. Upon this discovery, the road had to be closed for more than a year. People were forced to take alternative routes that were inconvenient, and as a result, it took them much longer to get places. Sometimes I believe God takes us through our own life reconstruction project. Our lives get disrupted, we can no longer depend on the things we did before, and we do not have control over our circumstances or our timetable. God is doing major reconstruction. However, even in the midst of the reconstruction, the glory of the Lord is revealed in that place. For some, it is the first time they ever see the hand of the Lord in their life to the degree that this process allows them to experience Him. It is a process they will never choose to go through voluntarily, but it is an experience they value for the rest of their lives because the glory of the Lord was revealed in the process. Once the process is complete, things begin to flow better. Just as the new roads allow you to drive on a smooth, more spacious area, so too God paves a way for you to move into an expanded place with Him. Isaiah tells us, "Then He will give the rain for your seed with which you sow the ground, and bread of the increase of the earth. It will be fat and plentiful. In that day your cattle will feed in large pastures. Likewise the oxen and the young donkeys that work the ground will eat cured fodder, which has been winnowed with the shovel and fan." Isaiah chapter 30, verses 23 through 24. So today, be patient with God's reconstruction project. You will like the finished product. This has been UpReach, a presentation of the Church Street Church of Christ in Lewisburg, Tennessee. I am Kyle Bolton, the pulpit minister at Church Street, and I would like to personally invite you to come and share times of Bible study and worship with us each week. We meet every Sunday at 9 o'clock a.m. for our morning worship, followed by our Sunday school for all ages at 10:15 a.m. Then we meet again at 6 o'clock p.m. for our evening worship. We also have a midweek meeting for devotion and Bible study on Wednesdays at 6:30 p.m. I hope to see you there. Have a blessed day.
When the storms of life are raging, stand by me. Stand by me. When the storms of life are raging, stand by me. Stand by me. When the world is tossing me like a ship out on the sea, Thou who rulest wind and water, stand by me. Stand by me. When I'm growing old and feeble, stand by me. Stand by me. When I'm growing old and feeble, stand by me. Stand